In a groundbreaking moment for the world of electric motorcycles, the X-OTO 3-wheeled leaning electric motorbike has been unveiled in the US market. Combining cutting-edge technology with innovative appearance, this electric marvel promises to revolutionize the riding experience for motorcycle enthusiasts. The key feature that sets the X-OTO apart from traditional motorcycles is its unique patented tilting system. This ingenious technology enables the bike to lean up to an impressive 45 degrees while navigating bends, mimicking the sensation of leaning into turns that riders experience on two-wheeled motorcycles. This not only enhances the thrill of riding, but also ensures exceptional stability, even during sharp turns. The tilting mechanism functions in harmony with the bike's three-wheeled setup, providing an optimal balance between stability and versatility. Two wheels are positioned at the front, offering robust support, while the single wheel at the rear ensures optimal traction and control. This truck-like configuration helps both novice and experienced riders feel confident and secure on the road. Safety lies at the core of the X-OTO's leaning mechanism, offering stability during turns even at lower speeds, enabling riders of all skill levels to confidently lean into turns without sacrificing control. This means that both beginners and seasoned riders can fully explore the bike's tilting capabilities, adding a sense of excitement and enjoyment to each ride. The bike's appearance prioritizes safety, making it a safer alternative to traditional two-wheeled motorcycles. One notable advantage of the X-OTO over its two-wheeled counterparts is its ease of operation. The self-stabilizing feature, in combination with the three-wheel configuration, provides a stable platform that instills confidence in riders, especially those who may be new to motorcycling. As a result, mastering the art of riding the X-OTO is claimed to be simpler and more accessible, catering to a broader audience of riders. The bike's truck-like setup not only enhances stability, but also opens up opportunities for practicality. It is easier to carry passengers or transport cargo on the X-OTO, compared to traditional two-wheeled e-bikes, making it a versatile option for various urban commuting and practical use cases. Powering the X-OTO is a robust 4,000 watts front hub motor, a configuration well suited to complement the three-wheel appearance. With a top speed of 72 km per hour, the X-OTO is optimized for urban commuting, offering a swift and efficient means of transportation through congested city streets. The X-OTO boasts a pair of removable batteries, each delivering 2150 watts-hour of power, resulting in a combined capacity of 4300 watts-hour. This impressive battery setup translates to a commendable range of approximately 145 km at normal riding speeds. The removable batteries also add convenience for charging, allowing users to charge them individually or directly on the bike, depending on their preferences. The highly anticipated X-OTO 3-wheeled e-scooter is making waves in the electric motorcycle market, offering a Founders Edition model priced at $7,499. While the price tag may seem higher compared to some of its competitors based on performance specs alone, the X-OTO's revolutionary leaning functionality is expected to generate substantial demand among motorcycle enthusiasts. In conclusion, the X-OTO Founders Edition presents an enticing opportunity for early adopters to embrace the future of electric motorcycles. While it may have a higher price point than some of its competitors, its exceptional learning functionality and unmatched riding experience are poised to create substantial demand. As the earliest deliveries approach, the electric motorcycle community eagerly anticipates witnessing the X-OTO in action, heralding a new era of innovation and excitement on the roads. I'm interested to know your opinion about this scooter. Write your thoughts in the comments. Have a nice day and see you soon.